How to unfollow everyone on Instagram at once. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Play Store application on your device and make sure you have an updated version of Instagram application. So you can simply search for Instagram over here. As you search for Instagram, here you can see we have an update available. So you can simply first of all tap on update and start updating the application. As the update is completed, you can simply tap on Instagram over here. And as you tap on Instagram, simply tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. So here you can simply tap on the following list over here, and if you want to unfollow everyone at once, let me try. So you can simply tap on the three dotted lines and tap on unfollow over here. But to unfollow together all at once, that option is not given as of now. So you can simply tap on unfollow and go for individual profile over here and unfollow them. But to unfollow everyone on Instagram at once, that is not a feature available as of now. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.